But now, I can only backfill so well. Wow, I put a lot more rock down here than I thought. I can only get so close with the tractor, as you can tell. But I think now what we do is, the shit thing about these Clifton blocks from Menards is you have to backfill every single one of them, right? If you don't, like, every one of them is backfilled. And if you don't backfill them, well, that's just stupid, and that's the wrong way to do it. So you have to do that. So the question is always like, would you buy this, or like, what is it called, a Versa lock, or something like that, where they got the pins? List price of Menards, these blocks are $5.50 a piece. And when I went to the dealer to look at those other blocks, it was like maybe $8 a block, and then it was 50 cents a pin, and I'm like, that's way too much money. Because I'm not making money here, this is just my own house. But the reality is, if I went back in time, I would 100% go that other route, because with this, you have to stop every course. You have to backfill every block. You have to backfill every layer, where if you were using those blocks with the pins, I believe you could go, now minus the blocks where you have the rows where you need the Versa or the grid, but other than that, I think you could go 2 or 3 blocks at it, or rows at a time, and then backfill. So I think the amount of time would be exponentially less. And for me, in eastern Iowa, a load of this clean rock delivered to my house, you get a little over 16 tons, and it's like $300. I'm on my second load right now, and you can see I don't have a lot left up there. So my suspicion is we are using about 16 tons ish for about every row of blocks we do, and we have 7 rows to do. So I think I think it would be less money and a lot faster, but neither here nor there. This is what we have today. So what we're going to do now is get the rake and get the shovel and start leveling this out. Okay, so it's 10:30 in the morning. We've now finished backfilling all this, which is good, except Mrs. Woodward just came out here and informed me that it's entirely too hot to keep working like this today. So we're gonna stop and I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll probably go to town and spend money or do something. But a little side note, the other day, a bunch of coyotes took down a deer just over the hill there, and it really stinks and it's a hell of a mess. So I gotta clean that up later too. So anyway, today's work's probably done. I might come back later and at least stack another row of stones here, but you can kind of see using this method of blocks why it's so expensive and so much work. Anyway, later.